Hi everyone, we're up here at the Impressions Expo in Atlantic City, New Jersey.
That's right, ISS 2022 coming in from the Atlantic City Convention Center. We're here on the trade show floor, and gosh, we've been having a great time.
It's madness. We just opened the doors and it's pretty crazy. It's been nonstop. People are coming in. We've been seeing newcomers and also existing ones visiting
That's
our
right.
booth. We're front and center.
Familiar faces, new customers, new friends, live demonstrations. And we had a little seminar this week also, right?
We did have a seminar this week. If you guys missed it, sorry, but don't worry, there's gonna be another one coming up and you guys could definitely join that one so that way you're gonna be informed about all the cool stuff that's coming up.
That's right. If you haven't already, head over to the website, aprintsupplyco.com. We have a Learn tab with the calendar of upcoming trade shows, webinars, scheduled trainings. You can see when we're coming to a city near you.
Totally, and that's something you want to come and visit us for. We're totally happy to meet you here too.
That's right, and show you all the loads of new equipment, supply items. We brought a lot of stuff. Should we show them what we brought?
Let's go show them what we got. You guys ready? Let's go.
We got the world famous Adam Yukish right over here at the DTF table. What do we got going on here, man?
We have the All-American DTF desktop printer, All-American DTF desktop oven.
Goodness gracious. This looks like a really easy and convenient way for people to dive into direct-to-film printing without taking up too much space.
Exactly.
I heard this thing can print pretty large. What kind of size would you say?
A3.
A3, awesome. So you're saying I can print stuff like this?
You sure can. You can even get up to 13 by 19 with this printer.
That's huge. And we can offer more product ranges. I mean, I hear you can do a lot of different materials with DTF.
You can. Spandex, leather, polyester, cotton, anything that you want.
We've been doing rounds and rounds of testing at All American Print Supply, treated leather, wallets, cosmetic bags. I don't think we found something this won't adhere to yet.
Not yet. Keep on trying though.
Ah, that's right, that's right. If you're trying to be a one-stop shop, I mean, they can get their DTF film and powder from us, right?
Sure can. Everything's available on All-American.
This is an exciting time for direct-to-film.
It is.
All right, Vince, here we have one of the stars of the shows, one of the longest names in the print business. We're talking about the STS Muto 24-inch DTF roll-to-roll printer with available powder applicator, shaker, and conveyor dryer.
Yep, it's a fully automated system, guys. It is a screen printer's dream. We have our printer that feeds into our powdering machine, our applicator, that actually smacks the extra powder off the film. From there, it goes into our conveyor dryer, and from there, it goes onto a tension roll. It has a sensor on it, so it doesn't print too fast, it doesn't cook too fast. It's just right.
Now, Vince, what about all this extra powder? After it shakes it, where does the excess go?
There's actually a reservoir at the bottom, so once all the powder goes to the bottom, you're gonna pull it out, you're gonna pour it back into the top. You just keep recycling your powder. There's no reason to keep having to buy extra powder.
Now, what if I want to leave this running on autopilot? Is there a way I can monitor it maybe remotely, see my ink levels?
There is. So what's awesome in the Muto MSM is there's a actual app that you can use so you can track your MSM, you can do nozzle checks, you can send jobs, you can do all that good stuff. And so again, fully automated is what we're looking for, and that's why this is so popular.
And fully OEM. Unlike a lot of the DTF printers you're gonna see out there, this machine was actually made for direct-to-film printing. Very unique in that regard. Additionally, a Wecotech safety certification. This has a passport given through thorough testing, meaning it's safe for your print staff who may be operating the conditions, as well as your customers. I love this line in the passport. Safe for adults, children's, even babies.
Especially when we're gonna be operating right next to the printer, we need to make sure that it's safe.
Now, are you telling me that with direct-to-film, I can go onto almost any material, including red polyester?
Yeah, guys, red polyester is a very difficult substrate to print on, whether you're a screen printer, doing heat transfers, doing direct-to-garment. DTF has made it super easy to print on red polyester, or any polyester for that matter.
So it sounds like we got a full operation print shop right here in this system.
What's up, YouTube? My name is Wallace, and I got Esteban here with me. And today we're talking about the Epson F3070 direct-to-garment printer.
This is a beast of a machine here, Wallbaum. What would you say are some of your favorite features to our audience?
I have to say the speed. You can do up to 60 shirts an hour with this machine. I love the print cost. You can get about $1 per print with this.
We didn't even talk about the ease of operation, user-friendly printing, no daily maintenance.
No daily maintenance. And bro, we haven't even showed them the print quality.
Whoa. All right, now this direct-to-garment printer needs no introduction, the Epson F2100. Josh, what would you say is one of your favorite things about this DTG printer?
What I would say is the versatility of it. You can do direct-to-garment, you can do direct-to-film. Yeah, that allows you to print on so many different types of substrates, polyester, all these different garments. But what about you, Esteban? What do you like about it?
Gosh, between the whiting circulation, no daily maintenance, I mean that warranty. If there's something we can't resolve for you over the phone, Epson can be at your location within 1 to 2 business days. They're the only printer company that's gonna offer that. I mean, have you guys seen the quality of the results on this? Show them, Josh.
There you go.
Trey, what the heck do we have here?
Esteban, this is our Mr. T2 Pro.
This isn't a printer, is it?
No, this is a pre-treat machine.
Wait, so you're telling me I can tell this automated machine exactly where I want to pre-treat and how much I want to apply?
Every single time.
Do you like this machine?
I love it, it's my favorite.
Hey, check out this pump axle action. All right, Zach.
Yeah, I want to know, what's your least favorite part about direct-to-garment printing?
My least favorite part about DTG printing would have to be pre-treating all my shirts.
If only there was a way that you could pre-treat without having to use a machine.
I got it. Are you talking about the all-new, all-American Print Supply FIP industrial fully pre-treated garments you can print on anywhere?
I didn't know about that, but now I do.
Yeah, for those of you who didn't know, we took your favorite brands such as Gildan, Bella Canvas, Next Level, and we pre-treated the whole thing for them.
Okay, so how do you press it?
Well, these are already fully pre-treated for anywhere printing. All you gotta do is give it a quick pre-press, throw in your direct-to-garment printer, and you're done.
Sign me up.
The instructions are on the bag. Are you a high volume production print shop? Do you spend hours of manpower prepping your garments for dispatch?
And I'm gonna introduce you to one of my personal favorite machines, the AAT Folder Pro.
Oh my gosh, this thing looks like it saved me so much time. How does it work, Rena?
Let's find out.
Wowzers, that looks like a time saver and a money saver. You know, we're all seeing the effects of everything going on in the world and supply chain issues, lead times. That does not mean run out and get a no-name heat press with no warranty protection off of eBay or Amazon. All American Print Supply recently released our own line of in-house heat press machines.
So we have a 16x20 swing away heat press. This is my personal favorite. It does have the swing away feature so you don't burn yourself. Myself and Esteban heat press all the time. We have the marks to prove it. But again, we're not working under the heat directly. Has a timer, temperature gauge, and a pressure knob.
Available in industry standard 16x20, regular US 110 electrical, 1-year manufacturer's warranty. I mean, this thing can handle sublimation, heat transfer vinyl, DTF,
DTG. I think the most important thing is it available?
These are available now.
So moving along into our heat presses, we have our 16x20 auto open heat press.
I mean, I love the 16x20 industry standard size, maximum versatility. It's got a really nice heating element, single coil system. There's either some heat or no heat, so no cold spots. And we got warranty protection.
All American warranty protection. Guys, heat press is all about features. This thing is fully loaded.
You can set your predetermined amount of time, step away from your heat press machine, and you can count on the fact that it's gonna open for you automatically. Now, this electromagnet is gonna really keep it tight, but if you do need to open it mid-press, you can always release it and have easy accessibility. What is that I see? Is that a handle?
I think the best part about this machine is the slide out drawer. I'm tired of working under here. No longer am I working directly under the heat. I can feel comfortable with an employee or worker using this heat press. Slide out drawer, auto open, 1620.
Goodness, I mean, this seems like it'd be great because of the fully loaded features for direct to garment, direct to film, sublimation, as well as teaching new users with these friendly features.
Exactly, guys.
Well, another trade show in the books, right?
In the books, yeah.
This was a long one. We had the seminar, Building a Business with DTG and DTF. Had so much fun. I mean, we met a lot of new people, right?
We met a lot of new people.
We want to give a big thank you to everyone who came by the booth for a demonstration, took home some awesome printing equipment, and we had a great time.
It's been an amazing time. So don't forget to check out our YouTube, Instagram, and now our brand new TikTok channel.
That's right. It's going to be at AA Print Supply Co. All your different platforms. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, tap the post notification bell so you never miss any of our awesome print-related content. And where can they drop their questions or comments?
In the comments below.
That's right. Make it active, make it have fun.
We'll see you guys on the next one.
Wait, S, don't we have somewhere to be?
I think we got to go get ready for the next trade show. You ready to get out of here?
Where are we headed to?
Graphics Pro Expo 2022, Denver, Colorado. You got to be there.